Well, welcome back to the Bobcat Forever YouTube channel. We're down at the farm. Going to shoot some ammo through the chronograph, through several 9mm guns, a Kimber Micro 9, a Taurus 709 Slim, a Smith & Wesson SD9 VE, and the Taurus Model 692 revolver with a 6.5-inch barrel, and then the High Point 995 carbine. We're going to shoot them through here and see what kind of difference there is in the speed with the various barrel lengths. First, the Kimber Micro 9. .1104. .1084, 1101, and 1089. Next, the Taurus 709 Slim. .1126. .1085. .1121. And 1122. Next, the Smith & Wesson SD9 VE. .1112. Actually, that was 1172. .1154. 1138, and 1130. Next, shooting the Taurus Tracker, Model 692. .1217. .1232. .1235. .1242. Next, shooting the High Point 995 carbine. .1265. .1329. .1360. and 1396. Well, that was fun. As the barrel length went up, the speeds went up, as you should expect. So we'll crunch the numbers and put it together in a short video. Again, thanks for being down at the farm with me. It's, again, a nice day. Not as warm as it's been in the past, but still a beautiful day. Everybody stay safe, and especially in this current world.